Assalamualaikum everyone. Today with a new opportunity, and today opportunity is about Lund University Sweden. Lund University Sweden announced as a global scholarship all over the world. Both non-EU and EU students can apply in this scholarship. So in this scholarship, I will guide you that about a scholarship, what kind of documents you need, and what kind of eligibility and criteria they required, and then we moved that toward that how you can make up your account and how you can submit your application. Let's move toward a Learn University Global Scholarship. You can see the university main page here, and if this one Learn University Global Scholarship, look at about the global scholarship program each year. Lund University award approximately SEK. This is basically a currency sign in Sweden. 20 million, around about 1.75 euros, and 1.85 million dollars in a scholarship grant. This selective merit-based scholarship program is designed to recognize top academic students from outside EU and EEA students. So now nobody can say that, sir, we cannot apply in this program. We are not understand. If you can't understand a simple English word, you are not eligible for scholarship, or you are not waived off from the IELTS program. Okay, at the top 100 rank on in the top 0.5, this university rise uh, is in the list of 100 top universities in the Sweden. About the application period, the application usually opens in early February every year, and when the application period is open, you will find a link to the application portal further down this page. I will guide you about everything. Now, requirements and condition. Scholarship recipients are students with a proven track record of consistently high academic performance and a strong fit for learned university program. The scholarship is highly selective, competitive, and based on merit. So they have other information here. A lot of who can apply in this in this university. Basically, bachelors and master students can apply in this university. There is no a PhD position they mention in a Learn University Global Scholarship here. And if you do not meet the admission requirement to Learn University, you have not selected program as your first choice as university admission. There are two phases to apply in this university. First of all, you have to apply a first track in which you apply in the program in the university, and after that you will be eligible to apply for a scholarship. And after that, how to applying for a study is required for scholarship. This is basically a link where you have to make up your account and apply for your application. I will guide you there and make up your application scholarship motivation letter. So now the main and important thing they mention about your a part of your scholarship application, you will need to upload a personal scholarship motivation letter around about 600 words. This letter is distinct from any statement of purpose required for your program application. Your motivation letter should explain why your academic achievement and reason for applying to the learned university make you more stronger candidate than the others. And the last day to apply in this university is almost 16 February. On 16 February, and when the next application round open, you will find a link to our application portal. And the next I will guide you, because they mentioned this one here, and the next I will guide you that each program have different time period to apply on this scholarship. And the scholarship result they will announce, they will inform you by email. This one is a global scholarship. This global scholarship just cover your tuition waived. You, if you get successfully this scholarship, your tuition fee will be waived. And there are other scholarship, if you want to apply, they are known as external scholarship. And what will you do for external scholarship? The first one is scholarship and funding open to students from various countries. The first one, Swedish Women Education Association. So the all of the female they can apply, also apply for this scholarship. The Gen Foundation, who study natural science, in particular food science and food technology. The Simon and Miller LLP Global Liar Good People Scholarship. LLP offer two scholarship per year for law student. Those who wanna apply for law, they can apply in this scholarship. A Banji Grinchberg Scholarship, and who can apply, those belong to arts and music. Scholarship and funding open to students from a specific country. And now some specific country scholarship including Armenia, Australia, Azerbaijan, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Egypt, Ghana, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Oman, Qatar, Singapore, Thailand, Turkey, United States, UAE, like that. So these are the specific scholarship. These are not included in a global scholarship. If you want to apply on these scholarship, first you have to get admission notice from a university, and then you can apply these external scholarship. But today video is only about a global scholarship, that how you can apply on it. Okay, let's move toward the that where you have to make an account. If you look at this page, you can find your master program, bachelor program, and they mention about dates and deadlines here. And also you can search your program here, like if you wanna go for summer 2026, is an autumn 2026, and spring and autumn, it depends on you. So in this video, I will guide you that how you gonna apply for a master program. Click on the login section, and here you have to make up your account. So click on create account. Okay, in a create account, you have to provide your information, your email, and after they will send you some kind of a verification code here. You can look at 7234, and you have to put your confirmation code here. Then you will make your account. Because I already made it, so I just put my email here and click on login. Okay, I already told you that if you don't want to search a program separately outside application portal, so you have a section there you can search your program. For example, search for course and program here. Click it here, and if you go down, there is a bachelor, there is a master programs, and open for application distance. You can apply filter, because I will guide you today about a master programs here, so you can find your master program. Like they announce a lot of program, and the last year to apply on the scholarship is around about 15 January. If you look at here, 16 October is for 2025, and 15 January is about 2026. So almost all of the program have the last date around about 15 January, so you can choose your program according to your studies. For example, if I choose a program, just click on it, and this program will directly added to your application. Just click on my application, my selection. You can see here that advanced statistical machine learning, I just choose. If you click it on show less or show more, they will show you that your program is in English or your program is in Swedish language. So language of instruction is English, and the course date is all about 5 October to 8 November. Pace of study is a full time, and location varied. It depends on that in which campus you will get your admission. Now you have to click on start application. Okay, because we choose this program, so you have to click and continue. International courses and programs autumn semester. Here you have to choose your country, and my university qualify are from Pakistan. I have read the information on this website and believe that I am not required to pay an application fee. I will be submitting document in support of my fee exempt status. So you have to, in general, if you are not a citizen of European and EU and EA country of Switzerland, you are required to pay application and tuition fee for studies institution. So because if you are non-EU student, you have to pay application fee. Those who belong to EEA and EU region, they don't need to pay application fee. If you still you want to apply for this, you can submit a separate application for them, and then click on submit. Okay, you can look at here that I already my upper secondary qualification are from Pakistan. My university qualification are also from Pakistan. You have to click it OK. And to complete your application, please upload the document that prove your eligibility. If you don't have Swedish personal ID number, you must also upload copy of your passport and similar ID. Just click on to apply for the application, and you have to click on upload identity documents. And here you have to click it on choose file, and you can upload your passport here and click on next. Once again, if you are not EEA and EU student, you have to pay a application fee toward the Swedish university. Otherwise they will didn't accept your application. Okay, you can see that the documents is our document is already submitted toward the application portal. Now you have to click on return to application documents and look at that. If you had upload educational document, click on it, and here you have to upload your if you're gonna apply for bachelor program, you have to upload your intermediate school certificates, and if you're gonna apply for a master program, you have to upload your intermediate and your bachelor levels school certificate. So here I will choose just for example, and just write it and click on next. Sometimes the internet working very slow, so you have to wait for your document submission. Until it submit, I wanna go through you some other things here. You can if you wanna do doctoral studies, just for information, because but this scholarship is only for a bachelor and master student. For doctor studies application and admission, that how to apply and admission requirement, they mention some. Okay, so our document is uploaded. This is about education, so just yes, submit to submit document. So our document will be submitted to the application portal. You can see submitted, and the other things here. Start a guide, because we don't need to need a guide, because we already know that we have to upload our documents in a PDF file. Close guide. So all of the things are covered here. Just back to my page, you can see that messages. If you click on documents, our documents are already uploaded, and if you want to upload any other document, you can just go back and upload document. Now click on profile. If you want to change anything here, like your email address, your mobile number, your address, your password, and third party language of correspondence, you have to choose is English, not a Swedish. If you choose Swedish, you have to provide them language certificate, so it's not better for you. Now click on back to my page, and the last part is basically for application fee. So you have to upload your application fee, because they mentioned that only EA and EEA students can exempt from application fee. If you are citizen of Switzerland, or you do not need to pay application fee but are required to document your citizenship status. This is true for all the EU and EEA citizen except Swedish citizen. Also, the Swedish citizen have to pay their application fee, and all non-EU student or international student have to pay a fee. The amount of fee is around about 900 SEK. SEK. You can convert this amount into a dollar. It's almost 70 to 90 dollars. And how you can detail about your application, you can choose from here. And payment by credit, you can pay by Visa card, your Maestro card, and just click on it. And payment via bank transfer. Any, it depends on you that by which method you have to transfer your money to your university. So one important thing I want to tell you here, if your documents are good, you consider that your documents are high ranking, your CGPA is good, you have a good motivation letter, your professor can provide your correspondence letter, and all of that, and your CV, and you have some kind of research criteria. If your documents are good enough, then pay a fee and then submit application toward university, because they will cover your full degree tuition fee and other thing. You can apply for a work permit there and you can work there. So this opportunity can be change your life, because you have to move for a higher study and you want to invest something little, or if you want that university don't charge fee. Almost all over the Europe, EEA and EUA universities like Canada, USA, Europe, Australia, Netherlands, Switzerland, almost they charge application fee. You have to, if you want to study in these countries, you have to pay a fee. So you are better that you have to make a little backup, so it will be help for your future. So after transferring a fee, your application will be submitted, or you can choose only a one program to apply on this to apply in this scholarship. Only a one program, you cannot choose one, two, three, or four programs for. You can see that until you finish this section, your application will not be submitted, and this one is your application number. You can save that application number, because this one will be required when you apply for global scholarship. And if you wanna learn about more, you wanna more information about your courses, you can just go for a course section here, course section, and then you can find that what kind of information you need. Because sometimes some people don't understand, because I did not make any script for applications. I just find the content and I make a video, and sometimes some words may be wrong which I am using. People ask that your English is not good. It's good or not good, it doesn't depend on it doesn't belongs to you, it belongs to me, but still I am providing a valuable information for the pupils. And I am a scholarship hunter. I am already doing a PhD with the outstanding scholarship and a lot of other things. So I am successful now. You have to be successful. I am learning English. You have to learn English. I didn't do any kind of IELTS, TOEFL, any PTE score, but on the base of my degree, on the base of my friends' opinions, I just applied and I got a full funded scholarship. At this one, I'm doing a PhD. I also completed my master on a full funded scholarship, and now I'm on a full funded scholarship of PhD. So don't put any wrong comment in the comment section. If you don't wanna watch a video, you can skip it. And if you wanna watch it, just watch it and share that. If you don't have a good document, maybe some other person have a good document, and he or she can apply on it. Until that time, share this video. Until that time, remember me in your prepare. Allah Hafiz.